Okay, so what's good about a regression is you can include as many variables as you want into the regression equation. So on the previous video, I showed you had B0, which is the intercept. So if you had none of these variables in here, what would the value of Y be? Okay, so however, if, for instance, we are trying to predict leadership trait based on gender, based on income, based on education, and you can add as many variables as you want. Now, the thing to remember when you're developing a regression equation is you want to include variables that are related to this variable that you're trying to predict. So you need to know if gender is significantly related to leadership traits. You need to know if education is significantly related to leadership. You need to know if income or whatever it is you decide is significantly related to leadership, if that was your example. And you would do that by running a correlation just like we did in chapter 8. So a regression equation can have multiple variables in it. And you can put 100 variables in there, but it doesn't really make sense because you have to measure each of those variables in order to put them into the equation. So you have to be very specific and think about what it is that you want to include in your regression equation.